today, and one night camp, and a little overcast. See how it goes. To Honore, 8.7 miles. So, have a good hike. See you later. That was cool. Just saw a big brown owl and a kind of hawk kind of chasing each other around for territory in the tree. Got the tiniest little bit of a sprinkle today. It's very pleasant out though. The sun isn't real strong because of the clouds today. So yeah, it's real pretty out here. Nice and quiet. We're about halfway to the Bee Island camp. I'm not going to be staying there. I'm going to go on to the next one at Honore. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Only passed another couple who were just doing a short little hike, it looked like. And in some cool pine land and scrub right now. It's real pretty, beautiful day, nice temperature. So yeah, it's fun. Came up on a little sign here. Looks like the Bee Island campsite is actually a mile that way, kind of out of the way. So I think I'll pass on that, and I'll just head on to the 4.4 miles to the Honore campsite. Well, a little more than halfway. Time for a snack. Person buried some little trolls out here up to the tops of their heads on the trail. Oh, what a shame. Sorry, little guy. May not be the AT's green tunnel, but at least a little bit of one. Hiked in about 8-point-some miles. Made it to the little campsite here in Honore. So got a pretty nice little view on this little trail. And then here, my little spot. Got a fire ring, place to hang your bag, and a spot for a tent. So, well, there we go. Alright, got camp all set up. Pretty painless. Got my stupid little scout tent. Laugh all you like. Got everything unpacked in there. Got the Z seat, of course. Got my knee wear, my cheapo Aegis Max 40-degree bag. Plenty of room for other stuff in there. Got my cooking stuff all ready to go. Got some bottles of water. So, yeah, nice little site. Should be good. Alright, got my cooking stuff ready to go. Got my sweet little Tokes 700ml pot. Oh, I got in there. It's work. Got my little alcohol stove. Lexada thing. Just work. Like that. Perfect. Some water to cook with. Gathered up some monkey fur, some twigs, found some bigger stuff laying laying around to make a nice little fire tonight, so should be good. Well, time to cook dinner. Making some pasta tonight. I'll toss some of this yummy chicken in there too. Delicious. Alright, well, we're all packed up. Didn't take very long. Pretty straightforward stuff, so time to hike on out. Got about 9 miles or so, and should be home before lunch. See you later. So the Honore campsite here at Myakka, it's pretty nice. It's actually 3 sites, but they're completely separated by some woods and stuff. So there was one other couple in the first site, which is the biggest one, but I went down to the third one and I couldn't hear them at all or see anything, so it was nice. It wasn't like you were jammed together with a stranger or anything. So we're just starting our walk back out here. It's a little bit chilly this morning and pretty damp on the trail, but it's quite lovely. Should be a nice walk. Bit of sun this morning. It's really pretty through here. Yesterday was super overcast all day. Didn't rain though, so got lucky with that. Quite nice now. It's pretty cool. Just saw like a family of osprey maybe? I'll have to check and see what kind of birds those are. But pretty big. There were 4 of them all sitting in a tree and then floating around. I've heard from other hikers that one of the main uses of trekking poles is to get rid of spider webs, and that is definitely true. Any place where there's like foliage close to each other and you're the first person through in the morning, man, you are going to hit some spider webs. Thanks, trekking pole. So, a few little things I've learned on my little Myakka trip here. So first, getting outside and being able to actually see some nature is awesome. It's something that I think is really missing from most parts of society these days. I know that I sit behind a desk pretty much every day and have for a long time. And it's really great to get outside, kind of be by yourself and see some nature. Some other things I learned. I really like my pack. It's a Ultralight 2400. It's the perfect size for me. Fits everything that I need with, you know, plenty of room to spare. Even with some extra water and such that I brought today, it had plenty of room in there, so it's cool. Trekking poles, everybody needs them. I think if you go hiking and don't have trekking poles, you're just putting more wear on your body than you need, and they're pretty handy. Let's see what else. I used my little $24.99 Stand Sport Scout tent. I set it up with trekking poles, and if you do that, it actually only weighs like 2 pounds, which is like actually ultralight level. Now it does have some downsides. It doesn't have a vestibule. It's pretty small. The front entry kind of blows, but it did the trick. And if you need a super cheap option, or maybe you want an extra little tent to put your kids or your dog in or something, today works pretty well. And yeah, overall, having a really nice time. Be back home before lunch today. And yeah, if you can do it, get outside. See you later. Well, the rangers said that there wasn't any water on the trail or out at the campsites, and I guess that's not entirely true. There is a little bit of water, but pretty sure I'm not all that interested in drinking that one. Ugh. Hey there, dear, what are you doing? Oh, hello. Good morning, guys. Well, yesterday was overcast and a little bit cool, and today it's nice and sunny. Perfectly blue Florida sky, but definitely hotter. I do not think I'd want to do this kind of hike in the summer around here. That'd be just miserable. It's early April right now and it's very pleasant, but if you're thinking of doing giant bird over there. Hello. Anyway, if you're thinking of hiking in Myakka, I would definitely do it at a cooler time of year. Today is perfect. Well, just about back to the trailhead, just half a mile or so. Had a lovely little weekend here. Hiked about 18 miles total over the two afternoons, so lovely. Definitely something to try to make the time for. Well, have a good one. Enjoy your hikes.